So, as you can possibly tell, I'm going to kill the warden. And I think this will work. I'm building a giant hole. Dig a giant hole and drop an anvil. Will it work? Can you actually kill someone with an anvil? You certainly can. It does damage? No, wait, really? Wait, I have to look this up. What? What? How? Lottie Tunes? What in the Looney Tunes is this?
Did your wife leave you? I bet she did. Oh, I killed him! Run! Run! Oh my god, fucking run! No!
Raggy should be on soon to test. Wait, can we? I should tell her about my plan.
Where am I, huh? Where? Oh, I'm in Muna's place. You miss Shiki? No! You're kidding! No, kill me. That's so sad. I would have loved to say hi to Shiki. And I miss Lottie too.
Honestly, is there even an achievement for killing him? Because... will everybody know? Is there even an achievement?
Man, wait, no, she's right there. I'm stupid. She's there. What do I do? Lottie just asked for you? For me? Okay. She's at Lottie Island. Oh, okay, I go there.
Raggy!
Yeah. This ought to wake me up.
Are you EP? Okay, stand right under the block. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm ready. Take me. Oh, I'm in Pillow's dungeon. Or not dungeon, therapy. I'm in therapy.
I will fix it.
No escape. Oh my goodness gracious. What in the cartoon Looney Tune boomerang?
I just had to try it out. That's how I'm gonna kill the warden.
Oh, I see. Wait, what? Did I miss something?
Yeah, so I had a whole arc, so...
Okay, I did miss something. Okay.
So the thing is, I've been trying to kill the warden all day.
Okay.
All day. And he keeps killing me. I keep trying to kill him in very, like, crazy ways, so... The way I'm gonna do it...
We're at Looney Tune drastic measures. I will help you.
A really big hole. Thank you. Let's dig a really deep hole.
Yes.
And we're gonna put him in the hole, and we're gonna drop the anvil in his head. Okay?
Here, yes. It's a genius plan. He won't know what's coming, especially not an anvil dropped on his head.
Yes. Oh, you haven't had dinner yet.
No dinner.
You should eat a dinner. Maybe
I have goldfish.
Take a crunch.
Right now.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I have them right here.
Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it? Okay.
Eat it.
Okay.
Eat. Good. Excellent.
Oh, she fell. Oh, I fall too? Wait, I fall too? Ah! Oh my. Okay. Wait, where'd I go? Oh, this way. Yeah. Sad rat. Oh, that's not it. Oh. Wait. too sleepy. Don't go. Where? Lucky, please help me.
Raggy. Crunch, crunch.
Okay.
I follow the sound. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I don't know.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, this is where we're gonna drop the anvil on his head, okay?
Right here. How do we lure him in?
Hey, that's why you're here.
Oh, I see. Okay, I can do that. Yeah. Oh. What was that? Oh, is it time? Is it time? Is it
so
time?
The thing is, Raggy, we haven't built the hole. We haven't built the hole.
Oh, where's the hole? We're in the hole. Jack-o'-lantern, save us. It worked.
Surely he can't come in here because we're below him. Oh, he went back into his hole. Let's go. Hey,
Oh, it's
loading.
beginning.
Let's summon him.
I have a bad feeling about this.
I don't. I think you can trust me.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, here he comes.
Lottie. Ah, what do I do?
Over here.
Come here. Ooh. Whoa! Oh my God! I've never seen him before. Go in! That was as bad as it could have gone. So there's only up from here. Right!
Oh, hi. Hey.
Oh my God! Oh, in the hole. Silly! I think we should have made a bigger hole! Lottie!
I don't think he fits in.
Lottie, I think we need to make a bigger hole.
I think so too.
Oh my God, what are they doing? They're exploding. Ah! No! Bitch! Ah! I don't know what the thought process there was. Lottie, do you have a plan?
We have to kill him.
Oh, I have a diamond sword. Oh, wait, this is your diamond sword. What the hell, bitch? Let's kill me.
He's in the hole.
Where's the anvil?
We need to get the anvil. He's in the hole. Here's the anvil. Anvil. Oh God. Oh God. It's all
We have to find it. Wait, why is it the one thing we need and we can't find it?
I can't find it.
Is it in the hole?
Oh, it's in my hands. I'm building a monkey. Hit him!
Fuck you! Die! What is your problem, dude? What is your, who hurt you? Did your wife leave you? I bet she did. I killed him!
Rocky, you killed him?
I did!
Yeah! Good job!
Yeah! It's because I insulted his marriage!
Oh! Can you get up?
I have 2 sand, 2 carrot, 1 anvil.
Let's go,
64
Rocky!
iron, and a warden's head! Let's go! Yeah! We did it! And we need to go out of here. Get out of here.
We did it with the power of friendship.
Yeah, and not anvils, actually.
No, Anvil did not actually do work, but
Just Holes in friendship.
So I'm thinking we could put him in a deeper hole.
Oh, like kill him again? Is there more than one of him?
Yes, they can infinitely spawn.
Oh, what? Why? I never really asked the why, did I? Where now, Lottie Shinju? I follow you. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, it's again. Okay, okay. Oh, go in! Go in! Go in!
Rocky, I think honestly, to be completely honest with you, I think that our journey should end here with the warden. I think because you killed him the first time.
Yeah.
I